What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to do the resistance band bicep curl. So you're going to take a resistance band with an appropriate amount of weight and you're going to come on, step on top of it, making sure you're equally distant on both sides there. You're going to keep the elbows nice and close to the body, breathing in and bracing your core, and then just flexing the arms upwards and then 4 seconds on the way down, just like that. Breathing out as you return. You can go ahead and do that for anywhere from 12 to 15 reps. And that is how you do the resistance band bicep curl.